Hey guys, I'm John. This is the Monster Illuminessence 3D RGB panels, and the channel is JS Techie. Okay guys, so these are some smart prism art panels, or it says art panels, but they're like, basically they're a Nanoleaf alternative. So you can use them with Google Assistant. That's pretty cool. Voice control, Wi-Fi, or an app. What I'm going to be using is the app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what the app looks like and everything once I get it all set up. It comes with four of the panels and then one controller piece, which is what plugs into the wall and powers them. That's what I'm assuming anyways. Going on the box, it just kind of goes over what kind of stuff you can do with them. It does have some designs here. I don't know how well you can see those, but those are some pretty interesting designs. Some of these designs you would have to buy an additional kit. Now these I think locally are sold at Walmart. They might be sold at Target or some of the other similar stores to Walmart, but they might be a Walmart exclusive. You could look online and see for sure. So if you don't have a Walmart in your country, unfortunately you might not be able to get this. But this goes for around $50 to $60 at Walmart right now at the time of recording. I think it's $59.99. As far as Nanoleafs go, I think I want to say that's like a quarter of the price of Nanoleafs, maybe like half to a quarter, depending on. But they are a different shape. But they do look pretty cool, so I'm really excited to get over this. I'm not gonna do an unboxing. I'm just gonna pull everything out. Actually, you know what? I will pull it out for you guys right here. So we'll open it together. All right. Right out the top, we do get, looks like we get the controller in one bit and then the two panels. Okay, so this is what each individual panel looks like. So on the back, it does have a little magnetic bit with some 3M tape on it, or double-sided tape. It's not actual 3M. So pretty cool. I'll just go ahead and put that on the couch there, and then I will remove this next piece. Same thing. And here is the controller. Now you do see a little pin here. I'm assuming that's where you connect one of the panels, and I'm assuming they also have little power pins on the rest of the panel, so you can connect them up however you want, and they all will get power. Oh, okay. And then there's also the DC port for the power cable to the wall. So I'll go ahead and set that down, and then oh, what do we get? Oh, yes, this must be the power cable, maybe the remote. Okay, interesting. Get a power cable in the box. Go ahead and set that over there. And these, okay, interesting. So it comes with little adapters that you clip into each piece to connect them together. Those are important. You don't want to lose those. Okay. And then here are the last two pieces. They're pretty decent size, actually. Yeah, and I thought they kind of slotted together themselves, but with those you have to use those pieces. So yeah, you could do some pretty interesting designs. I have no idea what design I'm gonna use, honestly, but I'm gonna come up with something. I don't know if I'm gonna actually put it on the wall yet, because I think I am gonna be moving shortly to an apartment, and I don't want to set them up here and then have to tear them down and move them. So I will be right back. I'll have the phone connected and everything, and then we'll get right into the juicy good RGB stuff. Okay guys, so once you download the app, you will need to connect to Wi-Fi on the app. So I think it needs to be a 2.4 gigahertz, but it could be something else. So what you need to do once you download the app, you need to sign up for an account, and then you need to hit the plus button. And then for the prism, it is just the lighting with the Wi-Fi. So I already did all that, and I've already created a custom scene, which is what you're seeing now. It's just a bunch of blues, a white, and a little bit of purple. This is probably going to be the scene that's going to be in my background for right now. But then we can go to hypnotize. When you can see what this looks like, it's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool one too, actually. Yeah, that's a vibe right there. Okay, and then the next one we're going to do Vortex. Hopefully this is showing up well on the camera. Let me just check that real quick. Yeah, it's not looking too terrible. Sunset, it's a lot of bright, vibrant oranges and yellows. Sunrise will probably just be yellows and blues. Light speed. Yeah, it's a pretty cool one. And you could edit all of these to change the speeds of the colors and everything if you want to. I kind of figured mine. Oh, that's... Yeah, this is music reactive. There's no music playing. Strobe is just this. It's just strobing. Festive. That's very Christmassy. Lots of reds and greens. It's pretty cool. Night. What is that gonna do? Doesn't seem to be doing too much. Who knows? Read. So it's just a white light, basically. Working. Oh, it's a white light again. Leisure. It's just blue. It's just blue. Soft is like a shifting purple. Like a breathing purple, it seems. That's pretty cool. That colorful is just going to change colors on you. Dazzling. Yeah, just a bunch of vibrant colors. And then you get gorgeous, which is just, it looks like it's just dazzling, just with more of a fade to it. And then you get to just, if you want to pick a color, you just pick a color on the color wheel. Lower the saturation of it if you want. White, fairly white. You get very dim. As you get, you get a good amount of customization here. And then you get to choose how warm you want the white light. It's pretty cool. You can get very cold. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So the controller on the actual device itself, you know what? I'm not like the biggest fan of it. You do get your brightness controls. You do get like a way to change colors, but it's really just like the mode changes between solid color and then color shift and then scenes, and then you have to hit the color scene. It does get better explained in the guide than I can explain it. It does kind of show you how everything works, so I suggest you look at that. But anyways, yeah, this is a pretty cool product. Definitely cheaper than Nanoleafs. Let me just pull that up real quick, exactly how much a starter set of Nanoleafs cost. So for Nanoleafs, the mini triangles cost $120 for a 10-pack. But I don't think that's kind of what most people go for. Then they've got, they've got all sorts of shapes actually. So the Aurora Rhythm starter kit is like 9 panels at $180, and then the Canvas starter kit's 9 squares for $150. So you do get, and okay, then the Triangles starter kit is like 200, and then the Hexagons for 200. So they're a great deal more expensive. You did get more panels. I think these panels are a little bit bigger. But I mean, if you did buy like 3 sets of these, you still would be saving about $50 compared to what Nanoleafs are charging for their triangle shapes. But yeah, I think this is a pretty cool. And if you are interested in Nanoleafs and you don't want to spend that kind of money, I don't think this is a bad buy. There's a lot of, you could add all sorts of colors to it. And I've never owned Nanoleafs, but I don't imagine they're that much better. I mean, these aren't flat panels. They do kind of bulge a little bit, but I don't see that really being an issue. Because I don't even know if it's even that noticeable on camera. Anyways, that's it for this video. I like this product. I'm going to be using it. If you want it, if you think it's worth this, up to you. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.